me stay no. I got a Dallas and a H-Town boo. Got a baddie out in Cape Town too. Whole gang eating steakhouse food. Get the check, I ain't checking what it came out to. I tell promoters I don't talk about the money, you know. Big in the envelope too. Big John got the cash and he finna go too.
What's going on, guys? I'm back with another video. Today I got some good news. My 125 made some really strange noise that we had no clue what it was. So I actually went and left my 125 to PowerbyJJ and he finally fixed my bike. So it's completely brand new in the engine now. I'm gonna bring my bike back tomorrow, but I'm actually gonna go and show you guys the bike and all that stuff. So let's go. Okay, guys. So we're now at PowerbyJJ, the HQ where he fixes up all the bikes. So let's head on in and let's see if I'll see my bike. Check it out. Purple 125 looks so sick. Everything is changed out now, so you guys are gonna see a lot of content with this bike. But let's just take a moment to appreciate how crazy this place looks. It looks so nice. We actually have NTK's bike over here as well. Let's take a look at it. Oh my god. He's taking away all the attention from my bike now, because this bike looks so sick. Hopefully this will be fixed up soon, so we can make a dual video, me and NTK. But check out this exhaust, titanium exhaust and silencer. Oh my god. So what PowerbyJJ has done to this bike is he has changed the piston, the crankshaft and crankshaft bearings. So this bike runs super nice now. Not only does the graphics look sick, the engine is fucking mint as well. It's 0 hours on the engine now. So I'm super hyped, man. PowerbyJJ has done a crazy job. So make sure to check him out. You know, I was speaking about NTK's bike. We got Seb's bike here as well. We're gonna do a dyno run on this bike, so I'm super excited to see how the dyno goes, if the engine blows up or not. You did a sick job on this. Thank you, thank you.
Graphics kit.
Okay guys, so we're now about to do a dyno run on Seb's bike. So we got it all set up. I'm super hyped to see how many horsepower this bike has. Oh my god, check this setup out. So how many horsepower do you guys think this bike has? I want to see your comments. Okay, so we just did a dyno on the bike and it went from 54 horsepower to 58. So yeah, this bad boy got a little tune. I'll give a shout out on Instagram to whoever guesses which engine this is. Free shout out on Instagram. Okay, the bikes are now loaded up on the van. So once again, huge shout out to PowerbyJJ. If you ever need to fix your bike or want to get a dyno run, make sure to hit him up. We got his IG right here.
ingen torrent. Med mitt team, vi räknar fos i maskin. Ge mig det juice.
Yeah, so we're here now at the spot. We're gonna drive the 125 today because I can't leave you guys hanging. You know, I gotta show you guys how the 125 is to drive now after I got everything brand new in the engine. So here's the bike, and oh my god, it looks so sick. I just came from the gym, so of course your man's gotta have something to eat. So I got some gains right here. We gotta eat this first, and then I'm ready to drive. Gay! Whoa, that was better, that was better. Everyone here is so f***ed up in the head. Oh my god, check this bike out.
Yeah, the sickest one in Backpackwheelieboyz.
Oh fuck, yeah, this one.
This one, yeah, the 500.
Yeah, it's a 125, it's not a 500. What are you talking about?
But you said in the last video that this was a 125, so
Oh
yeah,
yeah.
this is the sickest.
Smash a like on this video, 1,000 likes and I'll drop the next one.
I've been waiting all night for you to tell me what you want. Tell me that you need me. I've been waiting all night for you to tell me what you want. Yeah. I've been waiting all night for you to tell me that you need me. Tell me that you want me. I've been waiting all night for you to tell me that you need me. Tell me that you want me. Tell me that you need me. Tell me that you want me. Tell me that you need me. Tell me that you want me. Tell me that you need me. Tell me that you want me. Tell me that you need me. Tell me that you want me.
Yeah.
I'll buy your exhaust, it's in perfect condition.